Hey everyone, I want to point out I want to work on my Tesla today. Something fell on the hood. You can see there's a dent right there. It's like a nice little crater in the middle of the screen. So what I'm gonna do is try to pop that out. So I have tried to put the dent PD, the dent removal, the rod over here, and I tried to remove this, but this is blocked off. I tried from the little honeycomb holes, but I cannot reach it. There's no way I'll be able to reach it. So what I'm gonna do to reach this dent is I'm gonna drill a hole right just below it so I can access it. I can't believe I've been doing that. Either drill a hole or leave the dent alone. So I'm gonna have to pop it up a little bit, and it made a little chip on the paint a little bit. So let's try it out. I'm gonna drill a hole right now and we'll try to pop that dent with my tools. As you can see, I have this one. I haven't used it in a while, so just a basic dent puller. Let's try it out. There's a little hole that we're going to be reaching in there, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and heat it up a little bit to soften the metal. I've inserted it in there, that little hole I created. Just, I don't know if you can see it, but here's my contraption right over there. I just try to painstakingly work on it. As you can see, slowly until we get it right. You can see the ripple in the middle of the screen. So hopefully we'll get that out slowly. So we'll take our time until that ripple corrects itself. You know what I mean? So I have to do it until I get it right. Be right back. There you go. I'm still trying to strain it out a little bit. So softening the metal helps a little bit, as you can see. I'm twisting. Hopefully we'll get it to a point where it'll push itself out. So more twisting. I don't have those pro tools that, you know, the light and everything, but I'm just using the sunlight to get it right. All right, there's the dent in the middle of the screen. It's getting better. It's not as bad. So let's do more. I'm gonna hit the highs and the lows on the outer rim. That way we don't have like a high ridge. I'm not a pro at this, guys, but you know what? It's working out for me. So it's the dent it's looking like it's less. So let's do more. Let's heat it up a little bit more. All right, everyone, so after getting all the highs and the lows with this little tool right here, kind of hammer it down, I kind of got it to a point where there's a little bit of dent still, as you can see right there. Just a little bit. It's better than earlier. Now, guys, I'm not a professional doing this. I'm just doing it on my own with my heat gun and some of my tools that I got on Amazon. But it's actually working pretty good on my end. Look at that. So this thing that you see here, this is basically the paint got scratched from the whatever that object that fell on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buff that after. So when I get it from here, you can see a little bit, straighten things out. So just take your time, everyone. Don't rush this. I've been doing this for like 40 minutes. Just to get it right. Is it worth it? I don't know. To me it is. All right, everyone, I am done here with a lot of hammering from the high spot and then twisting the bottom. Oh, that took about an hour just to do one ding. But As you can see, the line is there now. Earlier it was like a crater. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff this. This is what I'm gonna be using. Heavy cut, did I say heavy duty? Heavy cut Meguiar's to cut that dirt over there. This is not a perfect dent removal. As you can see, the line is a little bit off. Earlier was a crater. I'm gonna go ahead and buff that dirt over there. I think that should be enough, just a little bit, not too much. This is a small dent. Let's just buff this piece over here. All right, everyone, so it's all buffed out. There's a little bit of, a little bit of ding, but it's not as much as you can see. With perseverance and dedication, it's kind of gone. As you can see, earlier was a big crater. It's worth it. I punched a hole, so now I'm gonna cover the hole. So for the hole, I have a rubber grommet. So we'll just go ahead and plug it in. Plug it. Let me just wet this up. I'll be right back. All right, so I plugged that one over there. That's it. I mean, there's holes underneath this, so it doesn't really matter. It's because once you close it, you can't even see it. So, and if you have any dents right here, guys, the only way to do it is you punch a hole right somewhere here. Don't punch a hole close to the edge where it meets the rubber grommet. Make sure that you do it below it. That way it closes correctly and it doesn't touch this. You don't need to worry about covering this with paint because it's aluminum, so it doesn't rust. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put everything back, the hinge and everything. So there it is. I don't know if you can see it very well, but I have reduced the big dent on my hood. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe. More Tesla project to come. I'll see you and catch you on my next video. Bye, everyone. God bless.